Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a multiple row in Excel at once. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel file. Now you can see here are my Excel spreadsheet. Now I can add multiple row at once. Select this multiple row and right click on this row and click insert. Now you can see I add multiple row in Excel at once. Now write anything on this row. Now you can see I add multiple rows in Excel at once. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.